Modern Mazda vehicles display a front radar sensor blocked warning when the radar sensor used for advanced safety features becomes obstructed. This warning appears on your dashboard when the system detects that the front radar sensor cannot function properly due to blockage or obstruction. This warning primarily affects Mazda vehicles from 2018 onwards equipped with the iActiveSense safety suite, which includes smart brake support and adaptive cruise control. The radar sensor is typically located behind the Mazda logo or in the lower grille area of your vehicle. This small but critical component operates on a 77 GHz millimeter wave frequency. The primary causes of radar sensor blockage fall into two categories: environmental factors and physical obstructions. Environmental blockage is the most common cause, especially during winter months when snow and ice can accumulate on the sensor area. Physical obstructions include aftermarket accessories like license plate frames or grille guards, as well as damaged or misaligned bumper covers. When the radar sensor is blocked, multiple safety systems may be disabled or malfunction, significantly increasing your risk of accidents. Understanding this warning is crucial for maintaining your Mazda's advanced safety features and ensuring optimal protection while driving. When your Mazda displays a front radar sensor blocked warning, follow these systematic troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue safely and effectively. Step 1. Perform a visual inspection. Locate the radar sensor behind the Mazda emblem or in the lower grille area. Look for any visible obstructions like dirt, debris, or damage. Step 2. Clean the sensor area gently. Use a soft, lint-free cloth with mild soap solution. Never use high-pressure washers directly on the sensor, as this can damage the delicate components. Step 3. For ice or snow blockages, use a plastic scraper to gently remove buildup. Never use metal tools as they can scratch the sensor. Alternatively, park in a heated garage to allow natural defrosting. Step 4. Reset the system after cleaning. Turn off the ignition for at least 30 seconds, then restart the vehicle. Drive above 20 miles per hour for 5 to 10 minutes to allow the system to recalibrate. If the warning persists after these steps, professional help may be needed. Sensor recalibration typically costs $150 to $300. In rare cases, about 8%, the sensor may be faulty and require replacement, costing $400 to $800 plus labor. Prevention is key to avoiding future issues. Perform weekly visual inspections of the sensor area, clean monthly with gentle methods, and avoid installing aftermarket modifications near the sensor location. These simple steps prevent most radar sensor problems.